Amnesty International has released its new extensive report, Locked In, Left Out, The Hidden Lives of Kenyan Domestic Workers in Saudi Arabia. The report documents the experiences of over 70 women who previously worked as domestic workers in the Gulf nation. Their stories are of the grueling, abusive and discriminatory working conditions and count themselves lucky to be alive.
Kazi kwangu haikuwa rahisi. Kwanza nilivyokuwa kule nilikuwa na kwa isolated ile, kwa sababu kwanza nilikuwa wale watoto wananiogopa mimi ni mweusi, alafu pia niambiwa sijatibiwa mpaka tena nipeleke hospitali wanitibu tena waniende kwa check up tena ndo nirudi sasa nikuwe close na familia. Kwa hiyo mara ya kwanza nilikuwa isolated.
Through my experience in Saudi Arabia, I went through violations which I was not aware of. My passport was taken away. I signed my contract while I was traveling in Saudi Arabia, and when I reached there, everything was taken away and I was locked in a house. I could not take myself out. There was restriction of movement. I knew no one. I didn't have even a phone. My phone was taken away. And when I was trying to reach out back to the family, back home, I could only speak when I was what I was told to speak.
Discussing the findings with the media in Mombasa County, Amnesty International Kenya Executive Director Irongo Houghton emphasized the need for Kenya's labor migration policy to include a comprehensive protection framework to safeguard migrant workers abroad.
And as Amnesty International, we are demanding that policy come with a protection rider, some guardrails that protect Kenyans wherever they are across the world. We have still not ratified the ILO Convention 189 on domestic workers. These are really important because they create a framework for national accountability in the context. Kenyans are not second-class citizens. They are similar to every other human being on the planet, and they deserve the kind of protection that Saudi workers also receive under the labor law.
Legislators were also called upon to expedite the passage of the Kenyan Migrant Workers Welfare Fund.
In this report, calling on parliamentarians to accelerate the passing of that bill so that we can have an act in place that allows for monetary investment by the government of Kenya to protect our workers as they're abroad.
Additionally, the organization urged the Kenyan government to invest more in safe houses and responsive complaint mechanisms. For Prime Edition from Mombasa County, I am Anne Mburu.